Hello and welcome to Third Degree Food. I am Sam Caterer. Thank you very much indeed for taking the time to check out this video and of course our channel. Today we're going to be cooking something super delicious, incredibly easy and unbelievably tasty in the shape and form of strawberry panna cotta. Panna cotta means cooked cream, and that's exactly what we're going to do. We got 300 ml of organic double cream. We got 100 grams of golden caster sugar. We have 2 gelatin leaves, which we're going to soak in some cold water, and 1 vanilla pod. That's it. Super simple. And to top off our panna cotta, we got some beautiful Driscoll strawberries and a little bit of lemon and some sugar to make a little strawberry disc, which we're going to pour on top to finish it off. Let's get into it. We're going to add our cream to our saucepan. Pop that over there. And we're going to add our sugar. And then we're going to cut our vanilla pod and take out all the seeds. Quite fiddly this bit, but once you get it, you get it. Get the rest of the seeds out of the pod. Then we take our vanilla pod, place it in the cream and sugar mix, and then we're going to take it to the hob and start warming it through. You want to start warming on medium-low heat. Give this mixture a little stir around, the cream and the vanilla pod. Get that moving nicely. That's it. It's going to start to warm through very nicely now. Whilst our cream and vanilla mixture is on the hob, we want to soak our gelatin sheets. Now you just want to put these into cold water for about 5 minutes or so. Going to bind our panna cotta together so you get a nice sort of jelly-like creamy mixture. It's absolutely delicious. Right, back to our mixture. You want to keep this moving. You do not want it to boil. Just incorporate that sugar. Now we want to take out our vanilla pod now. So it's been about 5 minutes. Our cream, sugar and vanilla infusion is nearly ready. So it's time to incorporate our gelatin sheets. These look like they've disappeared, but they haven't. They are still in here, as you can see. Now what we want to do is shake them off and squeeze, get all that water out, because you don't want the water going into your mixture. You want to keep it as nice and viscous as possible. Right, we're going to take this over to the hob and add this to our mix. 1 sheet. And 2 sheets. Now we're going to stir this in. These will disappear fairly quickly. Smells absolutely delicious. I cannot wait to chill and eat this one. Okay, I think we are pretty much incorporated. And there we go. And now we're going to place our mixture into our glasses to let chill in the fridge for about 2 to 4 hours before it sets. Okay. Make sure they're equal. Okay. We're going to place these in the fridge, like I say, for about 2 to 4 hours. And whilst they are chilling, we're going to make our topping for our beautiful strawberry panna cotta. So our panna cottas are chilling in the fridge for about 2 hours. I'll probably leave them for about 4 hours to make sure they're properly set. Now you could eat them as they are, beautiful, delicious vanilla panna cotta. However, we're going to take it up a level and we're going to top off our panna cottas with an incredible strawberry topping. Very simple to make, 3 ingredients. We've got our Driscoll strawberries. I always find with strawberries, if you go for the Driscoll variety, they're guaranteed to be sweet and beautiful, aromatic, and that lovely strawberry perfume on them is incredible. Instead of trying a few cheeky ones as you walk around Sainsbury's or Tesco's, what have you, always go for the Driscoll if you can find them. Then we're going to have a juice of 1 lemon and about 60 grams of sugar. The lemon and the sugar causes coagulation with the citrus, which gives you a nice thick strawberry coulis type thing. So let's get our strawberries into our pan and take it over to the hob. We want to add our sugar. And we want to add our lemon. And start warming that through. Just give them a little move around. Now you can add water to this, however I want to keep it quite thick so it forms a disc on top of our panna cotta. Whilst the strawberries are warming through, just wanted to take this opportunity to say thank you very much indeed for taking the time to check out the video. If you'd like to give us a little like and subscribe down below and smash that notification bell for future videos, that would be greatly appreciated. And thank you very much in advance. Of course, you can catch us as well on all our social medias at Third Degree Food, Insta and Facebook, and thirddegreefood.com for our website. Right, back to the strawberries. Oh, these are looking good. Look at that. That's exactly what you want. So these are warmed through just nicely. We're going to take this over to the bench and we are going to macerate. So our strawberries are ready to be macerated. We're going to grab our hand blender and we're going to blend these up nicely. And that will do. Okay, just pop this in the sink. That's exactly what you want. Now what we're going to do is decant this beautiful strawberry mixture into a jug through a sieve, because you want to get rid of all the bits and bobs, and have a lovely clear strawberry coulis to top off our panna cottas. Put it nice and slowly and grab our spoon, just push that through. And that's about it. Bang that on there, chuck that over in the sink. Okay, we're just going to clean up our jug a little bit before we put it in the fridge. Just get rid of all those bits around the side. And I'm going to pop this in the fridge for the same amount of time that the panna cottas are chilling. See you in about 4 hours. Our strawberry topping and our vanilla panna cotta are just chilling in the fridge, and it's only fair to do them justice by giving them a little bit of finesse in the shape and form of a white chocolate tuile. Very, very simple to make, and it just finishes off the dessert perfectly. What we're going to do is break up some white chocolate into a bowl. It's about 90 grams. And then we're going to make a little tuile on our little bit of silicone matting over here. Really simple, and it just adds a little bit of je ne sais quoi to the dish. Okay, break these into here. And we're going to take this over to the hob and put it onto a saucepan and make a kind of bain marie. Now we want that to cool down just a little bit so we can then make a little tuile on our silicone sheet. Should take about 5 minutes or so. Okay, so what we want to do is grab a spoon and we'll just spoon out some of this white chocolate onto this silicone sheet. Just run off spoon down there like that. Doesn't have to be too artistic, but it's just a nice little top to our panna cottas. Make 3 just in case you break one. Fill that in a bit. It's just a nice little touch. Pop that in the sink. And then what we're going to do, we're going to put these in the fridge to chill so they become like a chocolate shard. We are back and our vanilla panna cottas have been chilling in the fridge with our delicious strawberry coulis and of course our white chocolate tuiles. So without any further ado, let's get into it. These look absolutely fantastic. Perfect. It's exactly what you want. Let's get the coulis and our tuiles. Let's pop these down over here. So what we want to do, give that a little stir around. We want to top our panna cottas with this incredible strawberry like so. And we're going to add our white chocolate tuiles to the top, just like so. So now, without any further ado, the moment of truth, it's time to get into it. Absolutely gorgeous. That is incredible. That strawberry coulis is just divine on top of the vanilla panna cotta. We get some of this in there as well. This is one of the best desserts. Excuse me for talking about my mouth full. That is incredibly delicious. Punching, so full of flavour. I'm Sam Caterer. This is Third Degree Food, and we've just been watching how to make strawberry panna cotta with a white chocolate tuile. Once again, thank you very much for watching. Check us out on all social medias, Facebook, Insta, YouTube, and of course, give us a little like and subscribe down below if you don't mind. And also, whilst you're there, hit that notification bell for future videos. We've got plenty more in the pipeline, some amazing food coming your way. But until then, I'm going to enjoy this. Cheers.